meiosis. Okay. Meiosis takes place in reproductive cell where there is a formation of gamete. Reproductive cell for formation of gametes. Okay. It is known as the reductional division. Reductional division. Why it is known as reductional division, or why meiosis is known as reductional division? Because here chromosome number reduces to half. Chromosome number reduces to half. Fine. In meiosis, from one parent cell, 4 daughter cells are formed. Okay. Meiosis is completed in 2 steps. Meiosis is completed in 2 steps. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Here I want to make one thing very clear. Meiosis 1 is the reductional division. Meiosis 1 is reductional division. Why reductional? Because the chromosome number reduces to half. If the parent have 46 chromosome, so after the meiosis first, the chromosome number will be 23. Okay. And 2 daughter cell will be produced. 2 daughter cell will be produced after the meiosis first. But meiosis second is equivalent to mitosis. Equivalent to mitosis. Okay. So there is no reduction of chromosome. No reduction of chromosome number. Fine, student. How it will be? Let's see with the help of the diagram. This much is clear? Quickly have a look. Meiosis takes place in case of reproductive cell for the formation of gamete. It is a reduction division because the chromosome number reduces to half. Okay. From one parent cell, 4 daughter cells are formed. Meiosis is completed in 2 steps, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is known as the reductional division because chromosome number reduces to half. Okay, but meiosis 2 is equivalent to mitosis, means there is no reduction of chromosome number. Quickly see this with the help of a diagram. This is a cell having chromosome. See student, this is the parent body. A parent cell having diploid set of chromosome. Okay, see, again the same process will take place. First there will be replication or duplication of chromosome. So quickly let us make. Okay, here what happened? Here is the duplication happened of chromosome or replication of DNA, whatever you can. Duplication happened. Now, after duplication, meiosis first will take place. I am writing meiosis first by M1. After M1, two daughter cell will be formed, isn't it? And what I told you, after meiosis 1 is the reduction division. That means half the chromosome will move to this daughter cell and half will move to this daughter cell. Till now it has 46 chromosomes. Suppose that a parent body have 46 chromosome. So till now it will also have 46 chromosome, and now after meiosis 1 it will have 23 chromosome. 23 here and 23 here. How? See. Okay. Fine. See here, two blue color chromosome and two red. After meiosis 1, one blue and one red color. Exactly, see student, exactly this is not the color of the chromosome. I'm just telling you so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, this one blue color and one red color chromosome gets into the one daughter cell, and similarly one blue and one red to the next daughter cell. Okay? Now see, after that meiosis 2 will take place. What will happen in meiosis 2? Again in meiosis 2, from this very cell, two daughter cell will be again formed, having the same number of chromosome. Similarly from here it will also have the same number of chromosome. Two daughter cell will be formed having the same number of chromosome. See what will happen here? See, these are the four daughter cells. What are these? These are the daughter cells. Okay, at the end of meiosis, four daughter cells are formed from one single parent. Okay, see student, as you can see here, the chromosome number has reduced to half, isn't it? Here you are able to see two blue, two red color chromosome, and here what you are able to see, one blue, one red, one blue, one red, one blue, one red. That means the chromosome has reduced from 46 to 23. Okay, so what you have to remember, some points like mitosis always takes place in the somatic cell, and it is responsible for the growth, replacement of the wear, dead, injured cell. whereas mitosis takes place in the reproductive cell for the formation of gamete. In mitosis, the chromosome number do not reduce to half, okay? But in case of meiosis, the chromosome number reduces to half from the parent cell, okay? Meiosis produce 4 daughter cell, whereas mitosis produce 2 daughter cell. Fine. And meiosis is completed in 2 steps, whereas mitosis is completed in 1 single step. Okay. This is all about the cell division. I hope the concept of cell division is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.